पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ।
छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा, दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा।
ये एक मार्केट गिमिक है।
अच्छा।
तो हम लोग उनको दिखाएंगे और फिर उनको अट्रैक्ट करेंगे।
हाँ।
तो ये एक गेम है जो हम लोग ऐसे ही बस ले जा रहे हैं।
अच्छा।
इस पेपर से।
हाँ हाँ, क्या होगा इस पेपर से?
हम लोग कहेंगे कि उसमें अपने दोनों फिंगर्स डालिए।
अच्छा।
एंड उसको इसको झटके से खींचे ताकि दोनों होल।
अच्छा।
You give us 5 rupees if you do it, we'll give you 10 rupees. It's so simple. They'll
Okay.
do it, but you don't know that this game is impossible.
Okay.
Nobody can do it.
Okay.
We'll have high-five problems. Auntie, आप try करेंगी?
Hey, what's this tattoo? Show me your tattoo. What is this tattoo on?
I'm not sure.
Who is she? What is this tattoo?
Actually, my sister designed the tattoo and she said that you can make this on their face.
So what are you selling with this tattoo?
Only we have made only those tattoos to attract people.
Lemonade. और कितने रुपए का लेमनेड बिक रहा है आज?
10 rupees.
10 रुपीज का एक लेमनेड। महंगा है, 5 रुपए का 2 को तो पी लूंगा।
The kids are very enthusiastic. They have come here with a lot of homework done, and they are very good in convincing the customers here.
I think it was amazing because the kids responded to it wonderfully. They had some wonderful experiences, wonderful discoveries about themselves, and they also had that joy of profit and pain of loss today.
Oh,
Prices were gone, but new were born. Such was my first business. Like to tell it to everyone. Selling was fun. We had to walk and run. People were many and gave more than a penny. Selling is not easy. We learned that. Selling, we have to put our thinking hats. Entrepreneurs are great. I don't know how do they decide everything from the products to the rate. I love doing this too. It is not easy, that is true.
Then there was no coordination. Nobody was stopping at the stall. Everybody was roaming around. And customers are, today I am not not allowing anybody to go out of the stall.
Okay. So then how will you get that?
I and Varun will go. And nobody else will go.
All were thinking that it was too easy, but it was too difficult. Sometimes we went on profit and sometimes we went on loss.
And what about your own salary?
Ma'am, 20% of ma'am how much we are getting.
No, then we are okay. What about your salary?
There is no salary.
Right? But you are giving your time, no?
Ma'am, we are giving our salary to ma'am the guard bhaiya because he is looking after the stall that no one is taking any.
How much salary are you giving?
15 rupees per hour.
Per hour?
Yes, ma'am.
What will we do with the profit if we don't take salary?
But the profit added, where the profit goes?
If you have a profit of 100 rupees, you will divide it amongst yourself 20, 20, 20, 20. That is your profit. But I am saying, apart from the profit, if you hire me, suppose you tell me, ma'am, you come and stand at the stall and you sell our product for us. I will say, I will need salary because I am working for you. But in this case, what is happening is you are not hiring anyone from outside. You are only working for your own.
Hi guys, I just want to ask you what's new today. Have you changed some plans?
Everything. We are selling milkshakes yesterday.
Yeah.
Today we are doing ginger ale.
Okay.
And yesterday we had only one game, color challenge. Now we are doing 7 up, 7 down also.
Hi. So what are you? I mean, are you changing your plan today, or is it the same plan as yesterday?
No, we are changing.
What's the plan?
We are adding one game. One more game.
One more game.
We are removing the Nivea game because we are getting lost. That's why and some more.
I personally feel it's not at all early because entrepreneurship actually is an attitude, and you can't create an attitude after 16 or 17 years of age. It becomes very difficult to change a person at that age. It's just the right age.
I mean, this is something that's pretty common in other countries like US and Europe, where students at this young age are actually made to do community service, etc. So it is something that should have happened long back.
So when they know from class 3rd that they want to be a doctor or they want to be an engineer, so by 6th, why not give them an option of being an entrepreneur?
It's वो एक kind of कीड़ा है entrepreneurship का. जितनी जल्दी दिमाग में रखते तो अच्छा है. So I think it's a wonderful thing. Starting with a very good early age.
ये तुमने क्या कभी सोचा है?